Welcome back. This is Chile Davis. And I'm back to do another video. I will cover my top stocks, but I saw some headline news. PayPal is exploring a stock trading platform for U.S. customers. That was this morning. I sold some PayPal, so it's just funny how that happens. But I was up, over 60%, so that is all good. No big deal. So PayPal is getting into the stock trading game. The holy grail of these new fintechs is you as a consumer may make anywhere from 40 to 50, 40 to $100,000 a year. They want your money to stay within their platform, just like a bank. So if you buy stocks, if you use their spend card, if you're buying a home, they want to keep your money within the platform, within the app. So another example of that is SOFI. SOFI as well allows you to invest, allows you to do personal loans, allows you to do student loan refinance. That's how they started. They have the spend card here. They have the home loans. And so basically they figure with that, $40,000, $80,000 a year, if you start with them, you'll never have to leave them. I mean, you'll do everything from your app. You won't ever have to talk to a bank. If you need money to borrow, they can look at all your assets in one app. They can see that, you have a brokerage account, you have stocks, you own a home. They can see your spending habits, and boom, they can approve you for whatever. Also, the investing app does do cryptocurrency as well. So if you own a little bit of cryptocurrency, they can collect that as an asset. So that's the holy grail of all these new fintechs. One man you may not have heard of is Cash App. Cash App again does a similar situation. They do securities, the stocks, they do Bitcoin, and Square has the same idea. As you can see right here, it says incorporated by Square Incorporated. So Cash App, if you did not know it, they are a product of Square. So all these new fintechs, what they want to do is keep that $40,000 to $80,000 within the app. So you never have to leave them to, like I said, buy anything else. If you want to invest, you can do that with Cash App. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can do that with Cash App. So that's just my quick spill, just letting you know that, hey, the world is changing, the money is moving, and you might want to start investing in some fintechs like PayPal, SoFi, and also Square. Okay. All right, back to my normal daily run. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, was up 2% on the day. Snap was up 2%. Shopify was up 1.21%. And Nucor, NUE, was up 0.99%, basically 1%. Square, we just talked about Square. Square was up 1.45%. And Apple was up 2.91% on the day. Quite a bit. Stocks were up 2%. With the Fed mentioning last Friday that they were going to not raise interest rates, more growth stocks are taking off once again. Again, support.com continued to rise today, went from, I think, $29 back up to $39. And GSAT, I talked about that on an earlier video, was up, 48%. Affirm, they did a deal with Amazon, and so they are up 46%. So these three, I know Affirm is legit, and GSAT or Global Star has been always the same. It bounces between 60 cents and $2. So if you can get in when it falls back into the dollar range or below $1, you can make some money off of GSAT. So anyway, there's my top stocks in my Robinhood. Now we're going to go over to my other account. It was a pretty good day. My top earner today was Tesla, was up 3.10%. We just talked about PayPal. PayPal was up 4% on the day, made $90. And Apple was up 2.90%, so I made $43. And Twilio was up 1.50%. I made $38. So I roughly made $400 today in the stock market. it was just a really green day. So I don't think anybody lost money today. I mean, there was a few ones, but pretty good day overall. All right, so let's see what was my top stock today. It might have been GSAT, Global Star. Let's see what we got today. Yep. GSAT or Global Star was up 48% on the day. AMC was up 6.68%. And we talked about PayPal. Again, they were up 4% on the news that they will be opening possibly a stock trading platform, just like the other fintechs. And Tesla, we talked about, they were up 3%. Apple, they were up 2.90%. And ACI, which is Albertsons grocery store, was up 2.71%. I entered that stock at a roughly $17, so almost double my money. Not quite, but I'm getting there, so I'm excited about that one. So if you look at these top 5 stocks, I will probably throw out Global Star and AMC, but I would pick up, and I would say these are the real winners right here: PayPal, Tesla, Apple. Not necessarily ACI, but these 3 right here are the power players. If you're building a portfolio, you definitely want to have PayPal and maybe something like Tesla and Apple in your portfolio. I've got Microsoft too, so but as you can see, when the real growth stocks come out to play, you're going to see a Tesla, you're going to see an Apple, you might see a Microsoft. Even here today, you see Snap is getting in it too. Snap is still in the lower stages, but it's going to be a big one soon. So if you haven't created a position in Snap, I would start soon. Twilio, another big cloud play, was up 1.50%. And as we talked about earlier, the other fintech, Square, is up 1.43%. So these were my top stocks of the day. Again, made a little over $400. Little quite under what, 0.78%, not quite 1% for the day. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like and share and leave comments below. I do have the RobinHood link and the Webull link for you if you'd like to sign up and get your free share of stock. Thank you and have a good night. So the reason for this video is to show that you can simply make plenty of money off of stocks, long picture over time. There's hundreds, not thousands of stocks on the stock market you can invest in. And by getting a few tips, you can make a lot of money really fast. So over the last 2 years, I've made a little over here. As you can see, $12,000, more than that, but just top performers: Tesla, Twilio, Okta, and for some of these penny stocks, Ford, nearly doubled my money here. Bought in about $344, and I made a profit of $289.79. So I've gained most of my knowledge from Facebook, Facebook groups, and different message boards. And I was able to make a little over $12,000, as you can see here. Thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe.